I hate this appliance. I hate this appliance because it will not do its job, which is to heat the domestic water in my house. And I keep having cold showers every morning because this baby's pilot light keeps going out. Now, I've already tried replacing the thermocouple and the entire pilot light assembly before you come at me. This time we gotta go a little bit bigger. We gotta do a souped up job. We're replacing the gas valve. It's getting intense. Look at that condom. Step 1, turn off the gas closest to the water heater. Step 2, turn off the cold water at the top of the water heater. Step 3, release the gas line by opening the union closest to your gas valve. Then remove any of the gas piping between that union and the gas valve at the water heater. Next, remove that cover and the insulation at the base of the water heater and expose the burner chamber. Here we're going to detach all of the lines attached to the gas valve. So the thermocouple, the pilot light assembly, and I believe the other one is an igniter. We'll pretend like I know that. Now we're going to do the fun part, which is draining the tank. Oh joy. How long is this going to take? You guess. It's much longer than you think it will. What feels like hours later. It feels like hours. Just gotta shake. We are pretty much empty, so I'm ready to change out the gas valve. I'm gonna take a extra 6-inch pipe. Alrighty, we're wrapping our large union pipe with gas-approved Teflon tape, as well as all of the threads, and we are attaching our 6-inch nipple to the gas valve. Gonna attach the rest of the gas piping, including that drip leg, and then tighten up the union. Now, I decided to take the cap off of my drip leg because I wanted to see if there was sediment in my gas line, see if that was part of the problem. It was not, but now I need to put the cap back on, and then we're gonna go and get my gas sniffer. Turn the gas line back on, wait a little bit for it to pressurize, and then check for any gas leaks at all of the unions that I disconnected. I'll go and check them all if I really want to. Woohoo! No leaks! The next challenge is trying to get the damn thing to light. Again! It's like my nightmare all over again. Turns out the darn thing wouldn't light because there was air in the gas line. And so I had to do something very scary, which is purge the gas line. I would not recommend doing this at home. In fact, the only reason I felt comfortable doing this is because I work with combustion safety and my gas sniffer has a lower explosive level, which meant that I knew I could make sure that we never had so much gas in the house that myself, my dogs, or my wife were unsafe. Even so, it took hours, literally hours, to get the gas smell out of our house with all the doors and windows open, and I had to do it twice. Don't worry, I'm not panning to another video. Once I purged the line the second time and aired out the house the second time, we finally got her to light. We had fire in the burner chamber and it stayed lit. And when I woke up the next day, the pilot light was still lit, which meant I got to take a warm shower for the first time in the morning in like weeks. It was amazing.